You can say that congratulations, app has been granted for Play production access. I'm talking about 12 tester for the Google Play Store and Play Console account. When you try to upload your applications, you have to test your applications for personal account and new personal account actually. You can say that one app is tested and it's approved to publish on Google Play Store. Now you can publish your applications. We can publish our applications from here, or we can publish the application from the production options. You can see that production option is unlocked, right? How can you test your applications and how can you publish it on Google Play Store? I have created a lots of video on my channel, and we also provide a service for the 12 tester. We have tested 300 plus applications. Let's publish the applications. Okay, when you click on production, then you can create new release from here. I'm clicking on new release, and in this time I'm going to upload, or I got the bundle file from the library. If you published before on the close testing, then that version will be saved on the library, or if you want to update new version, then you can upload it from here. Upload. I'm going to adding the from the library, that's why I'm clicking on library. Then you can see that the bundle file is available, which I tested on the Play Store. Okay, this is simple. Then clicking on next, then it's showing error. That means we didn't select any country. Let's go to production again and clicking on countries. Then I'm adding all countries for the app. Let's go to overview again. Then I think we can able to send it to the review. When you send it to review, you will see that this take time to finding any issues. It's not be any bothering thing. We just leave it on from here. Okay, you can see that it's in review. It will take few hours, like 1 hour, 2 hours. Sometimes it take few days, like 1, 2, 3, 5 days. So don't worry about it, just check it after few hours, and you will see the app will be released or published. Okay, let's explain about how you got the testing and how got the approval. First of all, you have to create an app, and when you go to the app, you have to upload the app on the close testing. You can see that on left side it is a close testing. Then clicking on manage. Okay, here is we have uploaded the app. Then if I clicking on testers, then you can see that our group testers are here. It is a Google group. I just uploaded the Google group here, and on the Google group we have 200 plus members to test applications. So we provide service. We have tested 300 plus application. You can see that lots of applications is here. I'm going to here. You can see that one application is published. If I click on smart body console account, you can see that this is also published, and lots of console account also I'm managing for the testing and solving their issues. You can see that those is also, you can see if I go to another one, you can see that it is on production after testing. So if you wanted to test application, you can contact us. It will be great service, on time service, so that you can publish your applications rapidly and quickly. Thank you.